Okay, we're back at the furnace here. Got the reset button tripped again. What's happening is our burner contact will close, but the furnace won't fire. And it's because it's not sending 120 volts through these two wires here. If I can get the lighting right, where it says BRN, focused for a second there, BRN, white 1 and black 1. They should be carrying the 120 volts to the motor whenever the burner contact is closed. We actually put a brand new motor on, and you can see the circulator contact just closed because the thermostat upstairs called for heat, but the circulator is not running because the burner does not have the temperature up above the low. So let's hit the reset and it'll close the burner contact, but I doubt that the furnace will fire. Exactly. Now if we play with that enough, it'll eventually kick on. So I'm suspecting it's not a faulty reset switch as I had originally thought, but I believe it is a faulty relay. Maybe the contacts need cleaned on this relay. Something, even when the relay closes, it's not sending the 120 volts down to the motor to run the motor. And what will happen is this thing will shut off like that when it didn't even get to temperature. It just apparently lost connection because obviously it hasn't gotten to temperature. We're set at 165 low and 185 high. Furnace shut off at about 150, 155. Okay. And what's going to happen now, that burner contact was still closed, as you see. That reset button is going to pop here in about 10 seconds. Because the electronics are telling that burner to fire, but it's not running the burner motor. There it is. Reset. So that's our problem. I guess we're either going to replace the relay or the whole control panel, if I can get the control panel cheap enough off eBay.